Hello again. One more Acer for disassembly. This time this is Acer Aspire 5750G. The problem with this laptop is that one of the buttons of the touchpad is stuck. This one here. So I have to open it and try to fix it either way by cleaning it or replacing the button. So let's start with the disassembly. First thing, of course, taking off the battery. We're gonna remove the back cover for the hard drive. Just a sec. Let's proceed. We have to remove the hard drive. Like this. We have to disconnect the Wi-Fi cables and we have to remove the Wi-Fi card. Like this. Now we're gonna remove all the screws on the back and we're gonna turn the laptop around and proceed with the disassembly. We'll take out the optical drive also. It's held by one screw here. We'll remove the screws under the battery. Find a different screwdriver. Now, after all the screws are removed, we're gonna proceed by removing the keyboard. Use something sharp. Find some place where you can start. Usually I go on the middle. If not, try to find a weak spot. Like this. Now here we have to disconnect the touchpad cable. And the power button cable. After that we have to remove the screws which are holding the plastic. But why do I have the feeling that this laptop has been opened before, and I think it's glued one of the hinges. We'll see now. Start separating the plastic. Like this. I think the button is okay. I think the problem is here. Nothing wrong on this side. Nothing wrong on this side. Okay, we'll remove the board and replace the button. Now we have to disconnect the cable here for the Bluetooth module. Let me turn off the light. I think it's better. Yeah, we're gonna disconnect this cable here. We have to disconnect the speakers, the microphone, and the LCD cable. For this board you have to remove the left speaker before you can get the board out, because it's laying above the CPU fan. Now I think the board is held only with one screw on this side here, so just remove it and start lifting the board. So be careful because the power jack is connected on the back side. We have one more screw here, sorry. Lift it like that and disconnect the cable. If you need to clean the fan, just remove the screws on the CPU, remove the screws on the VGA, replace the thermal paste and reassemble on the reverse. Now I have to see whether do I have a button like this one. I'll stop the video for now. I have to find a part, so basically I guess it will be only a disassembly video, so I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.